Hi, and welcome to Simple Forex Traders. So we also had another trade in profit. We took this trade as well. This is our third trade. We're actually in profit of 50 pips as well. It hits our profit here on the Euro USD. So we place a trade just in the middle of the blue box right here, and as soon as we place that trade, it's the price start to drop down towards the 50 pips targets for the Euro USD. So it's very simple system, very easy to do. Join my live trade class and enjoy the benefits of trading live with me, and provide a signal for you guys as well. I only want 5 students to join us, so send us an email and you can start. We will start definitely end of this month, early next month, to start the new program to live trade class. Okay, so another profit of 50 pips for the Euro USD, and we still have a live stream on our channel, so don't forget to check it out, and we'll keep going now. And I think we've got one more pair to go, which is the Euro Japanese Yen. Okay, bye for now. Just keep watching.